Hello, we're in Pampanga. I am Jan Sentan. I am the president of Palm Cabanas Resort Incorporated. So welcome to Palm Cabanas Resort. Tara na sa Palm Cabanas Resort, the pioneer meeting place again here in Arayat, Pampanga.
Nano Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako po Louis Season.
Marco Nanan and we're in Pampanga.
Balo ko guys, excited na kayo na kayong introduction may pamo akakit yun na yung gulot ko. So, very perfect yung feature tamo today for summer,
Yes.
for a weekend getaway for your family or even a corporate
Function and event.
events. So, abayin nyo kami po ngayon yung feature may ngayon nga doon ngayon at yung tamo po Palm Cabanas.
So tara, let's go!
Oy takabalen at chuko kining sentro na ning water park if I may say or in resort apin ning Cafe Cabana and Kenny so atin niya pong atlong swimming pools right now pero in the near future grabe ane pang karagul ing lugar ane pang karakal plano for more amenities ken pa mag-swim. Atin niya mo naman aduang function halls, atin niyang open air na event center, atin niya mo naman enclosed or air conditions. So numanton kayong events place kaya kayong occasion, available na po rin ni Kenny. Atin niya mo naman pong cafe which is this one, yung kayong gulutan mo. No? So mag-serve la Kenny, of course coffee, refreshments, mga kanyan. Atin lang mo naman pong Kusina de Cabana, mag-serve yung two kinds of cuisines. So ating Filipino, atin mo naman Chinese. Kita kabalen I want to talk more about their swimming pools which for sure a lot of you will be asking, no? So atin niya pong kiddie pool. So it's around 2 feet yung pagkakabalo ko so very suitable for of course kids. And then atin niya mo naman for general usage na pool, more than 1,000 square meters in kayang Karagul. Okay, but atin niya mo naman Olympic size swimming pool which is very rare na akit mo kiniking Pampanga na can be used as public makanyan. So other fun features kining resort is akit yung rin aliw-aliwang statue so ating animals such as this, ating dinosaurs, ating tiger, ating minion, ating mo naman Poseidon at Chiaketa. So very Instagrammable. But guys, so let's talk about the cottages naman. So Kenny pala, base kay kaming orientation. Ating cottage good for 5, ating cottage good for 10, atin mo naman cottage good for 15. So depende kaya kayo nung pilan kayong munta Kenny, makapag-avail kayong appropriate cottage para kaya kayo. Wait kabalen so based on my opinion, this could be the best place or spot Kenny King Resort. Because you can see the entire water complex from here. So pansinin nyo kayong gulot ko, atin pang open area Kenny. So in plan na Kenny guys is Kenny naman itambala mong beach type na swimming pool. So there's gonna be a parang man-made mountain, atin yung falls, etc. So very exciting. Kenny side naman Kenny laretang aliwang recreational activities for team building mga yan. So ating basketball court, volleyball, Kenny la pumita lakad dito. Kaya ba't kayong gulot mo, of course, overseeing laring ganagan ng pools. So, apinita itang Olympic size swimming pool tamo ka rin. And then, itang kiddie pool tamo kaya ta. Ini itang tea pool. Balawit tapin for general consumption, for general people, mga yan. Grabe. Kaya ba't kayo babo guys? Sa akin may, ito, the majestic Arayat Mountain. How cool is that?
Shout out!
Peta kabalen, so abe ko rin pamilya ko and we're enjoying this awesome weekend kining Palm Cabanas. Open la po from 9 AM up until 10 PM. As of now, bala mo night swim la pa mo po but starting this summer, mag-ground break na la po karelang Villada which means we can stay overnight na Kenny. So very exciting niya po rin plans ng gawan da Kenny. Okay, so chu kami ngayon ni Kening Cafe Cabana. And may itong yakarang amenities na ning resort na kasantingan kanini na right after na mag-swimming kami. So medyo didin na mag-coffee tayo, magpakapali kang bagya Kenny. Available na pang muna din karelang frap. Certified barista na rin kahit mo Kenny. May itong pagkasantingan, abalo ko muna din na. Hanggang hali ka pala mag-swimming, pwede ka munta Kenny.
Mag-chill ka mo.
Chill.
Chill. Ito.
Tatakman na la.
Taste this one.
So ito Pina, this is a full-fledged cafe and datila mo naman light dishes na kalupad na rin. Inumpisa na ka man heavy meal. Available yata guys ketang kusina de Cabana. Atin ka rin Filipino dishes and atin mo naman Chinese dishes which later on lakitala. But for now, retin light snacks pa mo yung kanta mo Kenny. So they have burgers. Atin mo naman of course sandwiches. So tandaan nyo mo po, alang wifi Kenny. Sabi na kita, let's pretend it's 1995. Kasandi na nanita, ating kang alternative na gawan. Interactive.
At the same time, makakapag-connect ka kay family.
Connect ka kay family through table games.
And conversation.
Conversation, table games, ampong, atin lang kaya Kenny.
Sungka.
Sungka. Grabe magaling kitang sungkada. Atin lang mo naman board games, card games, etc. Petakabalan so nandin, dininanda kayong masaguling tour nandin kayo ni Keng Karelang Kusina de Cabana na atin yung Filipino dish ketala maluluto atin lang mo naman Chinese dish na chuyaketa. So ini yung Karelang main dining area. I think it can accommodate up until 60 persons and magpasalamat kami kasi super generous la. Check out our table. Itapin so later on Itabin takman milareni, ampong kay pero ngini pa mo buri kung ipare-confirm kayo na can freely go here and then dine kay Karelang restaurant without the entrance fee. Of course with an amazing meal kay katamong table. So bayo kami mangan. Let me give you an baram idea nung naano laretang inapagdaka katamo nes.
Bali, kung lalawan tamo ng dishes tamo, pa atin tamo individual, atin
Yes.
tamo ring group. Siyempre, we would like to cater to everyone.
Yes.
Okay, atin tamo simple fried chicken,
Yes.
atin tamo sisig, mga favorite na rin kapampangan. Tapos, munta tamo kening Chinese.
Balam Laureate yun eh.
Laureate style yaw. Braised canton mi, apong sweet and sour pork kini. Plus, yung kaya kaming fried rice, yang chow rice.
Yang chow rice,
Tapos
okay.
kanyan, kung medyo big kayo,
Yes.
medyo marakalo kayo rin pamilya, atin kami set meal natin yung yan. Beef broccoli yan eh. Tapos atin tamang yang chow rice
Okay.
and pancit. And salt and pepper,
Salt and pepper spare ribs.
So, yabi may kitang yang chow and beef broccoli, apong pancit.
Super.
Sulit na kayo kanta.
The usual Chinese food na itong
Yes.
And then lastly, kay katamong Pinoy food, guys. Ining Karelang bilao. Ayan, check this out.
Kompleto na
Super,
yan.
kompleto. So, atin yung fish, atin yung meat, pork, mga yan, atin yung muna vegetable, atin yung pang fruits, and of course, atin yung rice. So, magkano yun, ma'am?
Yung price mo ngayon is 1,000 pesos for
Okay.
this whole bilao. Good
Yes.
for 5 bucks. Yeah.
Good for- Grabe guys, so setup da kayo ni guys is bala mumunta na ka mo ngayon nung kami kapagda ng pamangan at ilang available kayo need. Ita guys na nung ating kayo pang questions karelang pamangan kasi this is for me na balang full-fledged restaurant na lang mo naman is to serve da kayo ni. Make sure to comment them out po. We'll try to ask the restaurant or the Park Kening Resort to reply on your inquiry. But above that, guys, sana po aburin kaya kaming vlog ngayon. Apin po yung pera ba yung pupunta lang kayo ni Pampanga. So far, this is the biggest water park na ikit ko or resort na ikit ko kayo ni pong part na ning Arayat. So if you're interested, again, no, make sure to reach them out. Kita pong phone number na ibiyami kaya kayo or kitang Facebook fan page na itag mi po kayo ning content ay ni. Dakala salamat po kayong pamalbe. Mga anak, may danupa na ako eh. Until our next discovery. Guys!
Peace out.
Peace out, bye!